Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, August 25th, and this is my analysis for the Aussie US dollar, and we're on the daily time frame to start with. So the Aussie dollar made a big engulfing move to the upside on Friday, which makes this look more like an ABC instead of a 1, 2, 3. Now the Aussie dollar has been in a major range for a very long time now, so it could just continue to stay within this range. We got our Fibonacci retracement on this move down right here. If we do get a break of trend on shorter time frames at a Fibonacci level, then we'll stop looking for longs. But for now, definitely recommending longs on shorter time frames. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, definitely looking for longs. Looking for longs, especially if it's at the end of a three-way pullback. So unless we get a Fibonacci bounce and a break of trend, which we definitely do not have yet, I definitely think we should be looking for longs on these shorter time frames until the market tells us otherwise with a break of trend at a Fibonacci level, which it doesn't even have to do. It could easily just continue to make higher highs and higher lows. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.